Today we are going to learn about image tag in HTML. First we need to write the basic structure of HTML. Inside the src attribute you need to write the path of the image. Alt attribute is used when the image is not loaded successfully, then it will show the text inside the alt attribute. You can set the height and width of the image. You can also set the image of your choice from the internet. You just need to copy the address of the image and paste inside the src. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe the video.